Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into travel hacks because who wants to fly economy, right? I'm talking about scoring those coveted business class seats for free. I've flown a lot for this channel and picked up some valuable insider secrets that I'm gonna share with you. We're gonna break down the walls, pull back the curtain, and expose those little-known loopholes that can turn your next flight from cramped and miserable to pure luxury. Let's do this! First up, let's talk loyalty programs. Airlines are all about rewarding their frequent flyers. So, how do you get in on this action? Easy. Find an airline you actually like and stick with them. Join their frequent flyer program, rack up those miles, and watch your status climb. The higher you climb, the closer you get to that sweet, sweet business class upgrade. Free checked bags, priority boarding, and yes, even those magical words. You've been upgraded. Alright, next up, let's talk timing. Flying during peak season holidays, everyone is trying to get somewhere. Airlines know this and they jack up those prices. But here's the thing, they also have empty seats to fill, especially in business class. Flying during off-peak times is like finding a golden ticket. Midweek flights, early mornings, late nights, these are your new best friends. Remember, the less crowded the flight, the higher your chances of scoring that upgrade. Chapter 3. Dress to impress. You're not going to get upgraded to business class looking like you just rolled out of bed. Airlines want their business class passengers to represent a certain image, sophisticated, put together. Dress sharp, keep it classy, and make sure your shoes are clean. First impressions matter, and while you're at it, be polite to the airline staff. A smile and a friendly demeanor can go a long way. Chapter 4. The early bird gets the upgrade. Getting to the airport early is never fun, I get it. But if you're serious about snagging that free upgrade, it's a sacrifice you might have to make. When you check in early, you're giving yourself a better chance to snag one of those coveted business class seats if they become available. Airlines often make upgrade decisions closer to departure time, and if you're not there, well, you snooze, you lose. Plus, being early gives you a chance to casually chat with the gate agent, maybe even slip in a mention about how much you'd love an upgrade. Chapter 5. Credit card hacks. Let's talk credit card points and travel rewards. Some of these cards offer insane travel perks, including free upgrades. Find a card that aligns with your spending habits and travel goals, rack up those points, and watch the magic happen. Redeem your points for flight upgrades, free hotel stays, you name it. Just make sure you're responsible with your credit card spending. Outrow upgraded and ready to fly. So there you have it, my insider secrets to scoring free business class upgrades. Remember, it's all about being strategic, being prepared, and maybe even getting a little lucky. Flying doesn't have to be a drag. You can travel in style and comfort without breaking the bank. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more travel hacks and tips. Thanks for watching.